There is only one time you should ever take insurance in blackjack. Do you know what it is? Insurance is a side bet that happens within the game of blackjack while you're playing. If a dealer is showing an ace, they will look to see if their other hole card is a 10. If they have blackjack, everybody loses at the table before the game starts. In order to make the game more interesting, the house gives the players the option to take insurance. This means they are betting that the dealer has blackjack. Insurance typically pays 2 to 1, so if you place a $10 bet and the dealer has blackjack, you'll receive $20 back. A lot of times if players take insurance, they'll do it at half the amount of their original wager. Therefore, if they win, they technically break even. However, if you run the odds, insurance is a sucker's bet. It never pays off in the long run to take insurance. So while it may be tempting, when the dealer asks, "Would you like insurance?" the answer is always no, except for one case. If you were to know there was a higher likelihood of a dealer having blackjack, then it would be wise to take insurance. The only way that you could know if the dealer had a higher likelihood of hitting a blackjack is if you knew there were more higher cards left in the deck. The only way that you could know that is if you were counting cards. If you are counting cards and the count gets high enough, usually plus 3 or 4, depending on which method you're following, then you should take insurance. However, since most people aren't card counters, and if you are a card counter, there's a good chance that you could get caught and kicked out of the casino, for 99% of players, they should just never take insurance. Like and follow Ross's Boss for more Vegas tips and tricks, and that way if anyone ever asks, you know the answer to the question.